Hey traveler, the Holafly crew would love to welcome you to our wonderful installation experience. We've put together a few tips to help make sure everything runs smoothly and to avoid any surprises when setting up your eSIM. Follow this process with a stable internet connection. And note that doing this a couple of hours before the beginning of your trip will give you more than enough time. Make sure not to interrupt the installation process. And if you need any help, remember our support team is here for you 24/7. While the eSIM is identified as Holafly, your device may assign a different name to it, like personal, secondary, or business. This journey should take roughly 5 minutes. So take a seat and fasten your seatbelt. We're about to get started. Install and activate your eSIM on iOS manually. All you have to do is copy and paste the text. Easy, fast, and intuitive. After purchasing your eSIM, you'll receive a message, either by email or WhatsApp, with all the information you need to start the setup process. First, go to your iPhone settings. Tap Cellular, and then add eSIM. You should now be on the cellular data options screen. Even though you are doing a manual installation, please tap on Use QR Code. You will find the manual option at the bottom in a blue font. Tap this text. That's the screen where you should copy the activation codes you received from us via email or WhatsApp. Simply copy and paste the text as shown in the video. Then press Next. Once the Activate eSIM screen appears, tap Continue and wait for the installation to start. Please allow a few minutes for the completion message to appear. Your Holafly eSIM is now installed on your phone. All it took was copying a code. Press Done to go through to the final settings. We recommend that you rename the eSIM to make it easier to identify. You can do this by choosing your Holafly eSIM and then cellular plan label. Next, go back to cellular data and select your Holafly eSIM as the default line for your trip. And you're done. Remember to activate roaming on your Holafly line once you arrive at your destination to be able to connect to the internet. To do so, select your Holafly eSIM. Once there, at the bottom, activate the data roaming option. Remember that your data will only be activated once you arrive at your destination. That's it. Stay connected wherever you go and enjoy your adventure with just a simple copy and paste.